turning a bit.
That they're turning, they're coming. They've actually liked your pattern.
Oh, it is hard.
I thought you were going for the triple then. Oh my goodness. No.
They're just holding off, aren't they? Yeah, there.
Just before the hedge.
He's down.
Go for the second barrel.
There. Well done. No, he's just not liking it.
It's coming.
Go on, John, let's do it. What can I do for you? Hey? What's the problem?
How long are you doing this for?
We do shoot this field twice a year.
Sorry?
We shoot this field twice a year. Twice. This is the second time and the last time we'll shoot it this year. What's the problem?
My fucking dog is at home now, shaking on the fucking floor.
I tell you what to do with your dog.
Don't say put fucking stuff in her ears.
That's the thing to do.
I spoke to you, I think, last year.
Yeah, we shoot it twice a year. So that's the last time we shot it. So if you want to live in the countryside, I'm afraid, if you think I'm doing something wrong, phone the police. That's my suggestion to you. Phone the police. That's what you want to do.
What are you getting them for, Ralph?
Who? No. For me. Pest control, shoot this field twice a year, as you know, because you come out last time I was here. Put cotton wool in the dog's ears. It will calm it down, I promise you.
So how long are you going to be here today, all day?
All day, I expect. Until the birds stop coming. You're going to get all that vandal grease on your hands. I'm sorry if it's upsetting your dog, but I only do it.
It's my dog, it's my neighbour's dogs as well.
But as I say, we only shoot it twice a year, don't we? As you know, we only shoot it twice a year.
And this is the second time this year?
This is the second time this year. You came out the last time last year when I shot it as well. That's how often we come. So if you want to live in the countryside, this is part of living in the countryside, I'm afraid.
Here we go. On the left. And again.
Oh, left and the right, is it John? Go on, John boy. Oh, well done that man.
Oh, fucking that.
That appeared to have worked. Stocky, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it? It is, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, it's a stock dog. That has. That's dead now.
Keep it still.
Oh, well done. Cool. I think you hit him. Yeah, you definitely hit some feathers off him. I don't think it is. No, it's not. Is he coming?
It's coming.
No,
Nice.
Make up your mind, Jesus Christ. I was like pencil in the air, that was.
Looking from the right here.
Just any one will do, just one. Oh, Jesus. Call that a miss.
Nice forward shot that, Johnny.
There you go. Fuck. That's a dead bird.
Did it fall out of the sky?
Yes, look.
Oh yeah. Fucking hell. Headshot.
Yeah. We'll pick that. Oh,
Fucking hell.
dearie me.
Doesn't get any easier than that.
Oh, you bugger.
No, it's coming. It's stocky. Nope.
No.
And again. Ooh.
Yeah. Go on, in front. That second shot's eluding you.
Here we go. Johnny, 2 shots. Nice.
And the magpie.
Oh, shoot, fucking magpie. Boom. Stopping again.
They're not stopping, you're going to have a pop at one of these. There you go, one in front of you now. Oh dear. We won't publish that.
No, thank you.
I will. Take these distant birds.
Well, how bloody far away do you want it? Oh, and again. Goody that one. Nice. Oh, fuck off.